Hello there, everybody. Today I'm going to show you. Stepped into a water. Hello there, everybody. Today I'm going to show you on how to turn off a light switch. First of all, you need to put your hand on the light, and then second of all, push the light down. And if you want to turn the light switch back on, you gotta put your finger like this, and then push up. And now there's a light. Okay, so this is okay, so hope this can help you for today. Hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share it to a friend.